Hey guys, so we made it to Cedar Point right here in Sandusky, Ohio. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of this room because I think it's really nice. We are staying at the beautiful Hotel Breakers, so come on in. So right off the bat, I noticed that it has this storage space for clothes, to hang clothes and everything. We just set our bags and stuff here. It has a lot of space, lots and lots of space. I really like this little nook over here where you can just put a lot of storage. We put a lot of things for storage, that's what I'm trying to say. It also has this little refrigerator, not something that's like too fancy, but it gets the job done. A nice little microwave here. We've got some extra towels here. So I'm just really liking the amount of storage that this room has. We came here with the baby, whom you probably can hear in the background. And so yeah, this is our first family trip. And so here's the room when you first walk in. So this is a pretty nice sized room, especially with, you know, the baby. You know, he can have space to move around here. You have a little desk. I mean, it's a basic room, but it gets the job done. Hello. Oh, what's my shirt say? We'll give medical advice for plane tickets. You know how we do. Anyway, so yeah, it's a pretty basic room, but I just really like the size of it. You know, the headboards, nice touch. Like I said, I've been here at Cedar Point before, and I've stayed in Hotel Breakers before, but we stayed in a much smaller room and it was on a different part of the hotel. So if you look out the window, here's the view. It's of the parking lot, but I mean, as you can see, we've got like a partial lake view right there. So look at the waves rolling in. Partial lake view. See the roller coasters in the background. Look on the other side. There are roller coasters. Is that the dragster? It is. That is the dragsters, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, camera action is pretty bad. And there's lots of bird poop on the window. But yeah, I really like this seating nook here. Good for probably rocking the baby to sleep. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this room. Really happy with the room overall. Like I said, it is a big room. It's a very nice sized room. I'll show you guys the bathroom. Just going back to the front of the room. Get to see all the storage. Okay, so right away going into the bathroom. The bathroom is not as big. It's not as spacious. Hello, there I am again. It's not as spacious. Very basic, clean, basic storage right up under the sink. They have a little hair dryer here, some extra towels. And then if you guys ever stay here, just know that the toilet paper racks are up under the sink. Actually, I just saw that when I bent down. So I would have been looking for them myself. Got some extra hand towels and face towels here. Nice little laundry bag. Like I said, I'm having to close the door in order to see behind the door to get in the shower. So it's a pretty, my baby's already messing with that hair dryer. He's already messing. What are you doing, babe? So it is a pretty basic bathroom, but you know, I'll take less bathroom space for more room space any day. So try to give you guys like a panoramic. And there's the baby playing with the hair dryer. BK, what are you doing, babe? All right, so that's it for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and when you come stay at Breakers, you get a room that's just as nice.